Hello guys, my name is Cosimo and I love to crochet. And today I'm going to teach you how to crochet a bobble stitch. So let's go. Oh yeah! So let's just say, okay, you're crocheting, right? And you're like, you know what? Right here, you know what would go really well right here? A bobble stitch. So you're like, okay, I want to do it. But first you got to tell your fingers, I want to do bobble stitch. Okay, I'm ready. Are you ready? Yeah, I'm ready. Oh yeah, we're ready, boss. Okay, let's go. So, what you do for a bobble stitch is you got to yarn over and put the hook into the next stitch, the stitch that you want your bobble to go into. You put it through, you yarn over, and you pull through that stitch. So now you're going to have 3 loops on the hook. Okay? So, you yarn over, and you're just going to pull through 2 of those loops. Hang on. Ooh, yeah, like that. You're going to pull through 2 of those loops. So now you're going to have 2 loops on the hook. Okay? So then again, you're going to yarn over and put the hook into the same stitch that you did the last loops. You yarn over and you pull through. So now you're going to have 4 loops on the hook. So what you do now is you yarn over, and again you're just going to pull through 2 of those loops. So now you're going to have 3 loops on the hook. Okay? And again, you're going to yarn over and put the hook into the same stitch where you did before. Up. And then you're going to yarn over and pull through again. So now you're going to have 5 loops on the hook. Again, yarn over and you just are going to pull through 2 of those loops. So see, we're kind of like stacking half double crochets together. Now you're going to do that one more time. Okay? You're going to yarn over. You're going to put the crochet hook into the same stitch, yarn over and pull through that stitch. And now we've got 6 loops on the hook. And again, what you do is you yarn over and you pull through just 2 of those loops, and now you have 5 on the hook. These are your bubble stitch 5 loops, I guess. So what you're going to do now is you're going to yarn over and pull through all 5 of those loops, and now you have a nice little bobble. So you can crochet in the next one and then see what it looks like. See? So a few things about the bobbles you got to be careful is sometimes what probably happen for beginners is this. He'll be like all smushed up, like I don't know, your guy's foot or nose got smushed. All you got to do is, because the stitches are like pushing back, all you got to do is you got to push that out. See? And now look at that. It's beautiful. So yeah, that's just a cool tip. And yeah, that's how to crochet a bobble stitch. Okay, so let's do one more bobble stitch, this time a little bit faster, just to make sure you learned your stuff. So let's crochet a little bit. And let's say, okay, I want the bobble stitch right here. Remind your fingers, bob, let's do this. Okay. So you yarn over and you put the crochet hook into your next stitch. You yarn over and you pull through. You have 3 loops on the hook. You yarn over and you just pull through 2 of those loops, like that. Okay? So now what you're going to do is, again, yarn over, put the hook into the same stitch, and then yarn over and pull through. Then you yarn over and pull through just 2 of those loops. There's going to be 3 on the hook now. Then again, you yarn over, you put the hook into the same stitch, like that. Yarn over, pull through, and then you yarn over and you pull through those 2 loops. Now we're at 4, so one more time. I'm going to yarn over and put the hook into the same stitch, yarn over and pull through. So now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So last one, yarn over, pull through 2, and now you have 5. So what do you do now? At 5, you close it off. I wish that rhymed. Yarn over and you pull through all 5 loops, and you can go to the next stitch. And now you got some nice feet. 2 noses, actually. Those are like 2 noses. See you at the end. Okay guys, this is the finished product. As you can see, those right there are the bobble stitches. I didn't know what to do, so I just like, you know what, we'll just make a guy with stuffed cheeks. He kind of looks like a squirrel's head or like a rabbit, something like that. Another thing you could do is see like add a nose, like this guy. And if you like this, make sure to like the video and comment, maybe share with your friends or something like that. I think could be cool. And let me just let my friend finish the talking here. So guys, if you want to see more stitches, this is the playlist right here. Push that playlist if you want to see more stitches. And if you want my pattern, the pattern is in the description, because it was so easy. And yeah, like and subscribe, because it's so cool. So yeah, see you later.